So this is my Asus laptop, which is Asus ZenBook i7, and it is showing the message of preparing, and maybe the windows are corrupt. So as you can see that, I will show you again. So it will be showing message preparing, restarting, preparing and restarting. As you have seen the problem, what is the issue? My window is stuck up on the preparing and restarting mode. So it is always showing that message. So method 1, how you need to fix up. So this is the window key. So you need to press that and then press the X key. And then after that you have to press the delete key and you have to hold this key for at least 10 to 15 seconds and see if there is anything happening and fixing this error. So keep pressing it for at least 10 to 15 seconds. So let's see what happened to that problem. If the problem is not solved, then try the second method. You have to use the window key, press that and press the X key and then pressing the power button and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and see what's happening on that, and keep holding it for 10 to 15 seconds and see if it is giving you the results. And woohoo, problem is solved. So as you can see now, it is logging now. So it is all done. And thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.